Well, here we go again. So I just replaced this lock on the caravan door. So there's one there, one screw there, and then this comes down. You got to push that little button there, see, then you get to see the third hole. Leave it on, and if you do take it off that bit there, you just need to lift it up a bit to get it on. Yeah, this has got to be locked, and then you just prise that out, and then when you got it out, you get this cast item here, and you just keyway it to the left a little bit, and then the lock's got a little mechanism on it inside, a little spring. You just push that down, and then the lock should pop out. Put it in. There's better videos online than me, so have a look. So if I can do it, anyone can do it. And then you just whack it back on, hopefully. Need two hands for this. Oh, it goes back on like that. Hey, Mrs. is having a go at me. Alright, and next jobby, replace these because I noticed it's cracked. I'll talk about that in a minute. So I've got those here. Bought them from BTC. It's $32 for three, and that's 1, 2, 3. I'll replace a lot, and then I'll keep them as spare. See, they're both cracked, so they should both basically go in the bin. Look at that, because we're going a little bit further west now, and don't want any trouble with these doors. So, what? Screws, I need them. Yeah, so that's about the lock.